crosswind?
Yeah, it's all crosswind.
I need to go to 1,200.
Yep. Don't have to do this too close.
Pardon?
You don't have to do this descent too close, but that's okay. So where's he gone?
Straight ahead.
Yeah, well, let's follow him.
Do you think?
Oh no, he's
I don't think he does.
he's turning.
He is turning.
Yeah. So let's follow him and just at 1,200. So we're basically doing an upwind join. There he goes, he's turning downwind now.
Okay. Doesn't make any calls.
No. So our call will be joining crosswind. I guess we'd say traffic in sight.
Yeah. A bit higher too from the looks of it.
Yeah.
Latrobe Valley traffic, Lima Sierra Papa, joining crosswind to 1, traffic sighted, Latrobe Valley traffic. Latrobe Valley traffic.
Okay, traffic Latrobe Warrior Lima X-ray Foxtrot is on the downwind leg on climb to 4,500 passing 2,000.
Oh, okay.
Tracking to Moorabbin.
Going back. Cool. Okay. So depending on how I go with the crosswind, I might go through.
Yeah, no worries.
Well, okay. 1,200, let's get ready. I actually might put this down.
Okay.
Don't need that at the moment. Bumper, brakes, undercarriage, mixture. Yeah. Hatches and harnesses secured. Oh, here we go. Everything is recorded. Latrobe Valley traffic, Lima Sierra Papa, mid downwind, 1-2-1, Latrobe Valley traffic. 2-1 or 2-2?
2-1, you're right.
Good one. Okay, and I lost a little bit of height. I should have been, oh no, 1,200. 1,200 is right up too high. Okay. Set ourselves up.
Latrobe Valley traffic, Delta Juliet Lima, transiting your airspace, currently 5 nautical miles to your south at 3,500 feet en route to Leongatha from west, so all traffic Latrobe Valley.
Latrobe Valley traffic, Lima Sierra Papa, base 2-1, Latrobe Valley traffic. Latrobe Valley traffic, Lima Sierra Papa, turning final, full stop, 2-1, Latrobe Valley traffic.
A lot of crosswind.
On. Full rudder here.
Well done, mate.
Ooh.
That was a beauty.
Haven't had that much crosswind for a long time.
No, that was well done.
Go there, right?
Yep.
Okay.
Have we got a...
Got a little bit of a map here, so we use 2-1.
we've got an exit off to the left here.
Traffic Latrobe, this is Jabiru 5034. We are 10 miles to the northeast at 1,000 feet inbound. Traffic Latrobe.
Latrobe traffic, Peta Zulu Sierra Golf. Taxi departure runway 21, Latrobe Valley.
Latrobe Valley traffic, Lima Sierra Papa, clear of runway, Latrobe Valley traffic.
Cool. That was very well done, mate. That was much better than I would have done. I liked your upwind wing down. I can never do that. I always get them level and have a slight drift in any crosswind, but that was quite a bit of crosswind. Very nicely done.
I feared that I was going to land like this.
Yeah.